Welcome to the heart of Little India, Singapore, where colors, lights, and celebration fill the air. It's Deepavali season, and the streets have transformed into a dazzling wonderland. Here at the Deepavali Bazaar, every corner bursts with life, from sparkling decorations and vibrant sarees to rows of shimmering diyas, jewelry, and festive lights. And of course, the aroma: fresh jalebis sizzling in oil, samosas crisping to perfection, and Indian sweets like laddus and barfis that melt in your mouth. Families come together to shop, laugh, and prepare for the Festival of Lights. Deepavali isn't just a festival, it's a feeling of unity, joy, and renewal. As the sun sets, the bazaar truly comes alive, glittering lights, music, and laughter all around. It's Singapore's way of celebrating Indian heritage with global flair. So if you're in Singapore this season, don't miss the Deepavali Bazaar. Come for the food, stay for the vibes, and leave with your heart glowing as bright as the diyas. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos.